Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have Zenpop box unboxing video for you, and I have nothing else to say, so let's just get right into the unboxing. Ooh, okay, this is the August box and it looks very summery, even though August is our last month of winter in Australia, or the southern hemisphere. So I'm actually really looking forward to summer. Yep, the summer heat. Oh my god, I feel like lemonade right now. I think I'm gonna get some after this video. Okay, this is the code if you want to follow along at home, and let's keep going. So these are flake stickers, clear flakes seals, kohaku. Oh my gosh, there we go. So can you guys see the different types of stickers? Let's open it up, because I'm really curious to know what sort of material it is. Oh, I love this. It's like a little matchbox. How cute is that? I've never had plate stickers that come in like this sort of storage, so you can actually keep it, because often they come in like a plastic bag that once you open it, it's just, you can't store the stickers in there anymore. So open this up in their little plastic bag, and wow, they're really how do you describe this? This is really flat. How do they work? Like, oh, I am so okay. Okay, it's like plastic sticker, but it's really thin. Really thin plastic sticker. So there's all the different ones. I'm actually going to try this out because I really want to see how much bulk this is going to add to my planner. I really love this like transparent, lucent thing going on right now. So this is from Uni Pens. It's kind of open already, so let me pull out these pens. Okay. I think I have something similar to these, but I'll try these pens out at the end of the video. I love the color theme, this sort of like turquoise, purple gradient look, and it's limited edition. Then we have some, it's like vellum sheets. Post-it notes. Okay. Alright, it is, oh yeah, I don't know. Can you tell by the video? It is kind of like this thin vellum, it's like kind of translucent paper, and I love this. Yeah. So there's 20 sheets in this beautiful lemonade watercolor design. And then, ooh, they're like little clips. It's like the color of the rainbow. Okay, yeah, you can put them on the side of your notebook or any paper. You just clip them in there, kind of like tabs. Ooh, they're like removable tabs. I love that. That's so cool. All right. You get so many. That is amazing. And then we have some little note paper. This also looks like translucent. Is it? Yeah, okay, it's not note paper. It's like a little letter set. Oops. And then the next one is this tiny little letter set. It's like a little tag, like literally with string, and you can write a note here, and then you've got your envelopes, and you can see the different designs of the paper. So I'm not going to open this because I'm going to put this in my letter set to send off, but that is so cute. Alright, and then we have another pen here from, what company is this? Clear Up Marker. So I'll try that with the pens at the end of the video. Ooh, oh, this is perfect. These are tweezers for sticker decoration. So I actually, if you watch any of my shorts or reels or TikToks, you know that I always use tweezers pretty much for all my sticker work, because I use really small stickers. And I've been meaning to get a second pair because I'll be going overseas pretty soon, and I like to have a duplicate of all the things that I use heavily, just because I'm always worried I'm going to miss something. Like, I feel like I'm always forgetful, and tweezers was one of the things I wanted to get, so I don't have to do that anymore. And I'm glad, because the tweezers I use are out of stock now, so I have to find a new pair. So this is another letter set, but this is like a full-size letter set. And I'm really loving the design. Solar Jinkan Moment. So same brand, but this is more of a turquoise blue, and this is more like a true blue. So on camera this kind of looks blue, I don't know why. Those are the different designs. And then the last one are stickers. just like beautiful memory like stickers, and couldn't come at a better time because I am going overseas very soon and I can't wait to use this to decorate my travel journal, which I haven't updated in so long because I haven't traveled in so long, so it's going to be so exciting. And yeah, that is everything in this month's Zenpop box unboxing video. Let's go try out those pens. Okay, so the first one is this really cool marker. It's like a dual tip marker. Clear up marker motion. So there's two sides. You've got this orange side, which looks really cute. And then, what is this? It's like a clear side, which is nothing. But if I was to go over it. Okay, can you kind of see the coloring? What is it doing? What kind of is clearing it? Is it disappearing? Let me try again. Yeah, it's almost like erasing the orange. It's like gone. So I guess it's like a literally clear up marker. So you write in this highlighter and then you can like erase it with this side. That's kind of cool. I don't think I've seen that before. I wonder if it's just a... I wonder how that works. Okay, so the next pens are from Uni. There are 3 different pens, so let's try this turquoise pen. So they look like they are Uni 1.38 Zen. Oh, that's a really nice green color. Isn't that beautiful? That's amazing. It's so nice. And then we have this next one, this purple one. Oh, this is also, wow, this is a really nice color. I love these because they're so unusual. They're not like the typical colors that you would usually get in pens. This is so nice. I really love this purple one. It's muted purple. It's not bright. It's not like too vibrant. It's a really good color, but it's still, like, despite it being muted and being softer, it's still really readable as well in white. Where sometimes you can get really light pastel purples and they're just too light that when you write, you can't actually see it. And then this one, okay, it's a nice black pen. Wow, and these are so comfortable. So they're all 0.38. This is so, oh my gosh, I'm like in love with these pens. Which I didn't think it was possible because I already have so many pens I love, but I really, really like these pens. Such good quality. Alright, so yeah, that is everything in August's Zenpop box. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.